Yes, hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back again to this tutorial. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the top 10 WhatsApp features you should know, so that you can be using them to ease your chat, so while you are doing your chat, also to make your chat appealing and interesting. So if you did not subscribe to the channel, no Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm opening my WhatsApp here. So then I enter into my WhatsApp. You see now, so I'm going to first look for the first feature, which is called format the text to add some value or some features so that your text may be appealing. So you may be formatting your text here, for example. So if I write the message like this one, how are you doing? So you feeling? So these are the message that I sent. So as you see, this message is now formatted in any way. So but I can be choosing to format, for example, how are you doing, how are you feeling? So I can select this message, and I can be also italicizing it. I can be also bolding this message. You see, I can bold it, yes, italicize it. I can so click here to back there and bold this text message. I can also add strike through. I can bold it, so I can add strike through to this message. As you can see, I can even add monospaces according to how I want to format my text so that I can send the message which is well formatted. So the second one is to make your message disappear. So you want to disappear your message after a given period of time, or maybe you are chatting with someone and you don't want to keep your chat between both of you. So maybe you are even sending a message also somewhere, and you are not trusting where you are sending a message, and you want that message to be disappearing after a given period of time you have set. You can be setting a disappearing message. So to set this, you have to come here at the top of and click on the name of the person you want to disappear that message. After clicking that, you have to scroll down to the bottom until you reach to the place where you can also turn on or turn off disappearing message options. You can see now I hit on the disappearing options. As you can see these options, I click on this option which is disappearing option. So after clicking on this, also I can choose to be disappearing after 7 days, after 19 days, or I can choose to turn it off or turn it on 19 days. So these are message you are going to set which time do you want to be also setting so that it can be disappearing after a certain period of time you have set. So after this, also we are going to talk about the third feature, which is also the third feature that you have to know on your WhatsApp is how to star our message so that you can be using it later when you want to use it. You can star your message that you sent to someone or the message that someone sent to you so that you can star it, so that you can be wanting it later and be getting it easy. So to start it, you can come here and select, for example, I selected this one. So once I select this one, I sent a message and I start this message. If I hit this star, so you can see now this, I started the message, which means that I can come later and see that I have started the message, which is important, that which is the key one, and I start also accessing my message easy. So as you see now here at the top of this message, you can see I have, you turned on disappearing message, or new message will disappear from this chat 90 days after they are sent, which means that all the message are going to be disappearing after 19 days, so as I have set there. So you can even come back and change this option or turn it off so that you can start also disappearing your message in 24 hours or at any given time we want. So the fourth one is to clear out storage. So you may be wanting to clear out storage, and also you may be wanting to limit someone who is using your storage at a higher level. Most of the time you can see that someone is sending you videos and some more document, even files that are occupying a lot of space in your Android phone. Also you can be choosing to be minimizing or reducing those files in your Android phone via WhatsApp. What you can do is to come here on the menu 3 dots, so that you can click on the settings. After clicking on the settings, so also you have to come here on, you can see I have storage and data. So I click on storage and data. So after clicking on storage and data, you can see I can choose to manage storage. I can choose to network usage to see which network I have been using. You can see also all the options here, the quality of the media upload. So you can turn on also use less data for calls. So this option can work for you if you want to be using it. So you can choose to manage data. You can choose to which person you want to select on, so that you can be clearing the files he or she has sent to you, so that you can keep managing the storage of your Android phone or smartphone. So the fifth one, which is also view message details. If you send a message to someone, you can be able to view the details of your message. What you have to do is to come here and type the message you are sending to someone. After typing that message you are sending it to someone, for example, here's a message. So you can click on it after it is sent, then select it. After it is also selected, you can go up there to the info options, then you choose info. Once you choose info, you can see that the message is delivered now to that person I sent to, but is not yet read, because you see now it is empty, which means that the message has been delivered to someone I sent but it is not yet read. So you can be able to view the message information by using this way. So another way is that you can mute the conversation. You want to mute the conversation so that you will not be getting notifications from someone who you are chatting to. What you can do is to come here and click on that person. So after clicking on that person, you can see at the top I have something which is like a microphone which is muted or which is cancelled. So I have to click here on this closed microphone. Then I choose which time I want to mute it. So I can choose to show all notifications. I can choose to be unmuting it after 1 week. I can be choosing to mute it all the times. Also, you are the one to choose which time you want to mute these options or this chat. So the seventh one is that you can also you can hide your last seen status. So when we talk about hiding your last seen status, it is the way of hiding your chat option, so that no person can be able to view when you was when your last time of being on WhatsApp was, or when you have read his or her message, or even that person also you are not even able to see when that person did also those actions to his or her WhatsApp, if you turn it on, or if you have turned that options or had hidden that option. So what you have to do to set these options, you have to come here in the settings options, then you click through the settings. As you click through the settings, so you come here to the privacy. Once you reach to the privacy, also you click to the privacy again. As you click to the privacy, you can be able to choose who is going to be viewing your status. So after clicking there, you see now last seen. If last seen, you can choose whether everyone can be able to see your last seen. When we talk about everyone, it means that anyone who is even not in your contact can see when you were on the WhatsApp or not. So you can choose my contacts only can view my last seen. You can choose my contact except someone else also. After doing this, you can choose nobody. It's okay, you can choose the one you want to be. So after choosing these options, also you have now hidden your last seen option, which means no one can be able to view this in any way. So the feature number 8 is disable read receipt. When we say disable read receipt, it means that those are two blue tick marks which are turning into blue when someone read your message, so are not going to be changing the color, which means someone you are not able to see if someone have read your message or not. You can see that the message has been delivered to someone because the two tick marks are showing, but you cannot see if the person has opened your message. So to do this, you go to three dot menu, you go to settings, so you go to privacy again. After going to privacy again, you go to privacy, right? So now you can see here I have read receipt, which is if turned off, you want to send or receive read receipt. Read receipt array always set for group chats. So if I turn on this now, you can see now I'm going to be getting any person holding my message, I'm going to be getting it. But if you turn off, also I'm not going to be seeing that person has read your message or not. So the feature number 9 is to don't save photos, videos by default. So this now an option you can be also changing in your smartphone or on your WhatsApp, so that you are not going to be saving any photos, any videos, or any media by default on Android phone. So now let's see to go to storage to do this. So after going to this, now you can see I have this option here. After so below the manage storage, I have media to download. You can choose whether when using mobile data you will be downloading photos, audio, videos, documents. You can choose which one you will be downloading automatically on your WhatsApp. So the one you choose is going to allow these features to be working on your Android phone, which may lead it to taking your high amount of data, so that you can be choosing the one you be wanting to use. So the last one, which is the number 10, is how also to use WhatsApp on your computer. You can use your WhatsApp on your computer whenever you want to use it. So to use this, also you come here and download. After downloading the WhatsApp on your computer, you come here on the three many dots, then you come to the link devices. After coming to the link devices, so on your computer they have given you an option to scan QR code. You click a link device. So now you choose whether you are going to use mobile data or internet. So if you choose mobile data, so it is going to allow me to use mobile data. So now I'm going to scan this also QR code on my computer so that I can be using it. So after scanning this QR code on my computer, I can start using my WhatsApp on my computer. So those are the most 10 WhatsApp features you must know and you must be using if you want to be using all those features on your WhatsApp.